What is Xero? The complete beginner's guide to Xero accounting software. What if managing your business finances didn't feel like a chore? What if you could send invoices, track expenses, reconcile your bank, and get a full picture of your financial health, all from your phone? In minutes, that's exactly what Xero promises. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what Xero is, what it does, who it's for, how much it costs, and whether it's actually worth it for your business. Stay till the end because I'll also compare it to its biggest rival, QuickBooks, so you know which one is right for you. Let's get into it. What is Xero? Xero is a cloud-based accounting software platform built specifically for small and medium-sized businesses. It was founded in 2006 in Wellington, New Zealand, by entrepreneur Rod Drury. The idea was simple: take the pain out of accounting for business owners who aren't accountants. Today, Xero has over 4.6 million subscribers across more than 180 countries. That's not a small player. That's a global platform trusted by millions of businesses worldwide. Their tagline, "Beautiful Business." And honestly, if any accounting software deserves that title, it's Xero. At its core, Xero automates the boring, repetitive parts of bookkeeping. Things like reconciling your bank transactions, chasing invoices, and generating financial reports, so you can focus on actually running your business. It runs entirely in the cloud. That means no software to install, no desktop version to update, and no data stuck on one computer. You can log in from your laptop, tablet, or phone anywhere in the world. Key features of Xero. So what can Xero actually do? Let me walk you through every major feature. JX, Xero's AI assistant. Let's start with the most exciting one. Meet JAX, which stands for Just Ask Xero. This is Xero's brand new AI assistant currently in beta that helps you make smarter financial decisions and supercharges your admin tasks. Think of it as having a financial advisor built right into your accounting software. The future of bookkeeping is here. Online invoicing. Xero makes invoicing incredibly simple. You can create and send professional invoices instantly from your desktop or mobile app. Set up automatic payment reminders so you're never chasing clients manually. And the best part, clients can pay you directly online via credit card, debit card, or direct debit, which means faster payments and less back and forth. Bank connections. This is one of Xero's biggest strengths. Xero connects to over 21,000 global banking institutions. Once connected, it automatically pulls in your transactions and matches them against your records in real time. No more logging into your bank separately. No more manual data entry. Everything flows in automatically. Bank reconciliation. Building on that, Xero's bank reconciliation feature keeps your finances always current and accurate. And with the new Auto Reconcile feature, currently in beta, Xero is getting even smarter about matching transactions without you lifting a finger. Accept payments. You can accept payments directly through Xero via credit card, debit card, or direct debit. This makes it incredibly easy for clients to pay you on time, reducing late payments and saving you the awkward follow-up emails. Pay bills. Track all your bills in one place, get reminders before due dates, and pay on time every time. You also get a clear, real-time overview of your accounts payable and cash flow, so there are no nasty surprises. Claim expenses with Xero's expense management tools. Your team can submit expense and mileage claims directly through the app. Just snap a photo of a receipt and it's logged instantly. No more shoeboxes full of crumpled receipts at tax time. Quotes. Create professional online quotes and send them to clients instantly from your desktop or phone. When the client approves, you convert the quote to an invoice in one click. Clean, simple, and professional. Purchase orders. Create and send digital purchase orders and track orders and deliveries seamlessly in the cloud. Everything is documented and organized automatically. Inventory management. Track your stock levels with Xero's inventory tools. You can populate invoices and purchase orders with bought and sold items automatically, keeping your records accurate without manual updates. Track projects. If your business runs on projects, Xero has you covered. Use the project tracking tools for planning, budgeting, quoting, and invoicing. Record your team's time, track costs against budgets, and always know if a project is profitable. Payroll keep basic pay records online, complete pay runs for your employees, and run payroll reports. All within Xero. Simple and straightforward for small teams. Reporting get real, time financial reports that give you a clear picture of your business health. Profit and loss, balance sheets, cash flow statements. All accurate, all up to date. You can also collaborate with your accountant directly inside Xero in real time. Analytics. Xero's analytics go beyond basic reports. See future cash flow projections, check your financial health score, track key performance metrics, visualize performance with graphs, analyze KPIs and ratios, and even benchmark your business against your industry. This is genuinely powerful stuff. Accounting dashboard. Your Xero dashboard gives you a bird's eye view of everything: bank balances, outstanding invoices, upcoming bills, cash flow, all in one place. You know your financial position the moment you log in. Multi-currency accounting. If you work with international clients or suppliers, Xero supports over 160 currencies. Send invoices, pay bills, and manage your books in any currency seamlessly. Available on the premium plan. Sales tax. Xero automatically calculates sales tax on your transactions and generates reports to help you prepare your sales tax returns. Less stress at tax time, guaranteed. Manage contacts. Keep all your customer and supplier information in one place. See a full history of sales, invoices, and payments for every contact, making it easy to manage relationships and spot trends. Manage fixed assets. Track your business's fixed assets easily and work with your accountant to manage depreciation and keep your books accurate. Online file storage. Store and share documents, contracts, bills, and receipts safely in the cloud, directly inside Xero. No more hunting through email threads for that one invoice from 3 months ago. Capture bills with Hubdoc. Xero integrates with Hubdoc, which lets you automatically capture bills and receipts by photo or email. It extracts the data and pushes it straight into Xero. Bookkeeping on autopilot. App integrations. And if Xero doesn't do something natively, it almost certainly has an integration for it. Xero's marketplace has over 1,000 third-party apps, from payroll tools like Gusto to Shopify, Stripe, HubSpot, and hundreds more. It plugs into your entire business ecosystem. Xero Mobile App. Finally, the Xero accounting app lets you manage your business finances on the go. Send invoices, reconcile transactions, capture receipts, and check your dashboard from anywhere. Stay productive even in spare moments. Xero pricing. Now let's talk money. And here's some great news. Xero is currently running a promotion offering 80% off for your first 3 months. So right now is a genuinely great time to get started. Here are the 4 plans. Light, usually $7 a month, now $1.4 a month. This is perfect for micro businesses and side hustles. You get the ability to send 5 invoices and quotes, accept online payments, reconcile bank transactions, capture bills and receipts with Hubdoc, and view real-time reports. Super simple, super affordable. Starter, usually $29 a month, now $5.80 a month, built for sole traders, new businesses, and the self-employed. You get everything in Lite, plus the ability to send up to 20 invoices and quotes, enter up to 5 bills auto, reconcile in beta, and a 30-day cash flow forecast. Standard, usually $50 a month, now $1 a month. This is the sweet spot for growing businesses. You get unlimited invoices and bills auto reconcile, bulk transaction reconciliation, and a 60-day cash flow forecast. This is where most small businesses should be premium. Usually $705 a month, now $470 a month, built for established businesses of all sizes. You get everything in standard, plus multi-currency accounting, a 180-day cash flow forecast, industry benchmarking, tailored financial health scorecards, and fully customizable performance dashboards. Optional add-ons available on all plans. Expense and mileage claims. From $4 per month, project time and cost tracking. From $7 per month, and there's a free 30-day trial on all plans, so you can test it out with zero risk before spending a single dollar. Who is Xero best for? So who should actually use Xero? Xero is ideal for freelancers and sole traders who want simple, clean invoicing and expense tracking. It's great for small to medium-sized businesses that need full accounting features without the complexity. Startups love it because it's scalable, modern, and grows with you. If you have international clients, the multi-currency support is a huge advantage. And if you work with a team, accountant, or bookkeeper, the unlimited users on every plan means everyone can be inside Xero at no extra cost. Xero also has a particularly strong presence in Australia, New Zealand, and the UK, where it's the dominant accounting platform. If you're a large enterprise needing highly complex, industry-specific reporting, you may eventually need something more powerful. But for the vast majority of small businesses, Xero is more than enough. Xero vs QuickBooks, alright, the big question everyone asks. Xero or QuickBooks? Both are excellent platforms. Here's the honest breakdown. On users, Xero gives you unlimited users on every single plan. QuickBooks charges per user. If you have a growing team or work with an accountant and bookkeeper, that Xero advantage adds up fast. On interface, Xero is cleaner and more modern. QuickBooks is feature-rich but can feel busier and more complex, especially for beginners. On payroll, QuickBooks has built-in payroll for US businesses. Xero requires a third-party integration like Gusto, not a deal-breaker, but worth knowing. On reporting, QuickBooks offers slightly more advanced and customizable reports out of the box. Xero's reporting is solid but simpler. On multi-currency, both support it, but Xero's implementation is widely considered cleaner and more seamless for international businesses. On price, Xero starts lower and never charges extra for more users. QuickBooks can get expensive as your team grows. On user satisfaction, Xero consistently scores higher reviews than QuickBooks, despite having fewer total users. That really does say something about the experience. The bottom line: if you're a US-based business deeply embedded in the QuickBooks ecosystem with a local accountant, QuickBooks may be the safer choice. But if you want a cleaner experience, unlimited collaboration, strong international support, and a platform built for the modern world, Xero wins. Pros and cons. Let me give you a quick, honest rundown before you decide. The pros: Xero has a beautiful, intuitive interface that's genuinely easy to use even if you've never done accounting before. Every plan includes unlimited users, which is massive value. The real-time bank feeds and smart reconciliation save hours every week. The mobile app is excellent. The 1,000+ app integrations mean it connects to almost everything. Multi-currency support is world-class. And collaborating with your accountant inside Xero in real time is a genuine game changer. The cons: there's no phone support. You're limited to email and chat, which frustrates some users. The entry-level starter plan caps you at 20 invoices and 5 bills per month, which growing businesses can outgrow quickly. There's no built-in payroll for US users. You'll need Gusto or another third-party tool. And the more advanced analytics features are locked behind the premium plan. Final verdict: so there you have it. Xero in a nutshell. It's a powerful, beautifully designed, cloud-based accounting platform that genuinely makes financial management easier for small businesses. With smart automation, real-time bank feeds, unlimited users, a growing AI feature set with JAX, and over 1,000 integrations, it's one of the best accounting platforms available today. And right now, with 80% off for the first 3 months, there has never been a better time to try it. Start with the free 30-day trial. There's absolutely nothing to lose. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more business and finance breakdowns just like this one. Drop a comment below. Are you using Xero or are you on QuickBooks? I'd love to know what's working for you. See you in the next one.